𝐿𝐊𝐿𝐄𝐄.
Again, the teaching.
Coach Staff not big end game. 3-point game na lang to. Tumba. Sino to? 3-point shot ni Razul. Hatid sa atin ng Smart Gigasurf 99. Comes with 1 hour free.
I remember. Wow, good move there.
Kwame!
Yeah. Again.
Here we go. Ball is up. Iran wins the tap. That swing. Swing through at that. As the scoring hand goes to the floater. Wala. Ay, swerte naman talbog niyan. Big block by Kwame. Mission and kick out. Here comes the long bomb.
There we go.
Finally, para sa Ateneo.
4 hours still from their last game.
Oh, but a big 30 looking to penetrate. Scoops it up and in.
But they're getting good shots. Look, there's another pass. Look, that's what happens.
Ay nyo, si 𝐃𝐈𝐓𝐄 talaga naman titibay talaga ang laro mo, ano? Hands it off. Nice bounce underneath. 𝐒𝐈𝐓𝐄. Kasi doon kahit wala si Haddadi dito, as a triple is delivered by Nieto. Pointed the way of the Ateneo. Pull-up jumper from that left side.
Well, as a team attacking the zone, you really want to get that ball sa high post. And that's 2 shots in
It's missed. Enough time for a heave. The Hail Mary. Sobra-sobra.
Players. Minsan yun yung ginagawa ng mga coaches na...
Yo mga idol, bago tayo magpatuloy sa ating video ay may papakilala lang ako sa inyong isang sports betting app. Ito nga ay ang 1xBet. Meron dito PBA, NBA at iba pang sports and casino games. Napakadali lang mag-register mga idol, gamitin lamang ang ating promo code na BIGGAME at pwede tayong makatanggap ng up to 7,000 bonus sa ating first cash-in pa lamang yan mga idol. Sa mga gusto mag-register ay ilalagay ko ang link sa comment section at sa description box below. Maraming salamat mga idol.
Open three-pointer mula sa kanto is delivered. 3-point shot natin sa Nieto on the floor now. Gives it up to Kwame. Kwame cleans up his own mess. The power of Kwame. It's per game. Kwame on the penetration. Squeezes one in. Ito yung penetration kanina. 23-18 is the score. 3. On our side para sa Pilipinas basketball. Mga free throw na the game so far for 30. 3 shots ng bayan.
Yeah, good show by Kwame and good anticipation by Mamuya.
Atin, ng jukes to go. Ang nag-iisa, Manong Mascareñas, siguradong nakatutok ngayon. Anong linggo hanggang ngayon?
It's really hard.
Mamuya!
I remember, wow, good move there.
Kwame!
Yeah, I think he was surprised na na-open sa
30 scoops it up and in from the 3-point line. Speaking of threes, yes, inside the alley-oop play is completed. A lot of minutes because of those fouls. Corner 3-pointer. Bam! Napag-adjust na ng laro sa the college game and now international. Ganda naman ng Mike Nieto with a second. The Blue Eagles coming up with a huge second quarter. 30 had his moments. 2011 or 2012, if we're not mistaken. 30 was whistled for his 3rd personal foul.
I've seen him do that. Nakita ko yung game nila sa Lasal against yung transition defense. Oh,
late challenge by Kwame.
Late challenge.
We'll put it up. Pang-papat na Tristania. Ateneo on the attack. Catch and shoot. 16-footer finally nakabutang out. 30 down the gut of the defense is foul. 15 years yata sa PBA mahigit. Works in 3 times. Take that 9 points.
The UAB season. There they go. To continue going to the UAB season.
30 clipped. Close natin sa atin ang chooks to go. Ang nag-iisang manok ng bayan. Nieto with the leather from the right to the spin. Nieto with a pull-up. 14-footer is good. 3-point shot ni Razul, hatid sa atin ng Smart GigaSurf 99. Comes with 1 hour free. Dalizahan gives it up. Razul from the outside. Pangalawang tres sa kanya. Dalizahan inside once again.
Necessary adjustment.
Nieto gives it up. They go to Navarro. Inside is fouled. Ni Coach Norman Black, legendary.
And ito yung kailangan nila. Bibilisan nila yung...
Rebound natin sa atin ng Smart Giga Surf 99. Now comes with 1 hour free YouTube every day. Text Giga 99. Nahiya. Binigay muna.
Oh yeah, I was supposed to say na dapat...
1.6. Ooh. Muntik pa on the into 9999. Now. Si Dondo sa third quarter. Binuhos. They go inside. Mami coming over to me, over that pick. Mamuyak attacks.
Yeah,
Ako, nasa
bad,
niya.
Ito yata, pa-take off pa. Sakit nito.
Si Mamuyak rattles na naman. Kanina napagsabihan na yan. You gotta watch it. Turning na kanina, di ba? Natok-todahan pa sila.
To meet the ball.
Nice spin there. Buti na lang, may last line. Razul gives it up! Yun naman pala.
See there, look, perfect position there by the guards. They made the pass to the wing.
Razul, nowhere to go. Oh!
Wow.
Ito yung bailout shot, ano? Shot clock winding down. Halos nasa likod ng board. 𝐈𝐊𝐄. Matt Nieto. Off the one, ayaw talaga.
Finally, now.
3-point game na lang to. Tumba. Sino to? Older down. Into the head or neck of Nieto. Ito pala ang foul sa pagkakataon.
That handoff.
Ito na naman yung main man. Okay. Siyempre, San Miguel Alaska, 6:30 live on ESPN 5. That's game 4. As Bullet 3-on-2 the other way. Drops it off. 30! Scores his 12th.
Yung pag-screen ni 𝐈𝐊𝐄.
Take another look at that last fast break. So 1 free throw plus possession.
Yeah, I really like that call. Open up open shot for
Last 2 minutes na. Uy, may...
And in the hot sila.
9-9 now. Kwame again. Looking to tie the game. Natra. Dalizan. Goes to the pick and roll. Jump hook. Kumapang babas. And then
Naka-recover nga si Kwame pero he was in the perfect.
15 to shoot. 30 with a floater. No. Kwame put back. Wala pa rin.
I wish he's concerting.
Kwame takes care of this. Wala na siyang mapunta.
Usually, yung pag may contact, binibigay yan sa referee sa offensive nila.
Razul.
Wala pang miss.
Ayun! Nakuha.
Yes, and again, go back to the schedule of playing on the...
Play ball, oh yeah, you know me. I have only a path. I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win. Yeah.